Hello everyone, welcome back to the new playlist in Ash Academic YouTube channel. In this playlist, I'm covering DevSecOps. Last playlist I covered about the Kubernetes and before I covered about the DevOps. And this playlist for the prerequisite for the DevOps. In this playlist, what I'm covering and how many videos I'm covering, everything I will explain in this particular video and the official concepts will be starting on tomorrow onwards. But today I will explain what kind of tools I am using, what is the DevSecOps, why you want to learn the DevSecOps in this 2026, and this kind of I will give you the detailed information. Nowadays, if you know the DevOps, um, some you will resume will be selected from the interview round. If you know the DevSecOps, you will able to answer the DevSecOps questions. You will get some confidence, and immediately you will get selected in that companies because nowadays DevSecOps is very important. Everyone is writing the code using the AI. If you know the DevSecOps, if you find where is the exact the leaks is there, what is the security points is there in the code, everything, if you find it, and you will be in the top of that company. That's why this playlist I will be explain the detailedly about the DevSecOps playlist. Okay, total 9 videos I'm covering and 8 videos for the concepts and 1 video for the course introduction. And this video is course introduction. Let us go for the GitHub repository and what I'm covering and everything I will be explaining. Okay, okay. This playlist almost I took the 3 months to prepare entire document because I gather some code and I gather what kind of tools I want to cover in 2026, what kind of tools it's really required, everything. Even some of the code is in my company. I took some code like how they're internally in the company's DevSecOps and pipelines, how it will work, everything I put it in this documentation. If you have this playlist, same thing you will able to implement in your company also and fork the repository and store the repository. Okay, let us go to the total 9 videos I'm covering. Okay, first video, course introduction, and second video, what is the DevSecOps, and third video, secure CI/CD pipeline to release the pipeline and to release the deployment. What kind of securities you have to maintain, everything you have to explain, and GitHub securities, container securities, and Kubernetes securities like RBAC and everything. In RBAC, we already covered in the Kubernetes, but in this video also, I will once again I will cover and through RBAC, I will cover some networking policies like port securities, everything, secret manager, everything. I already covered, but once again I will cover and infrastructure securities. And this video is very important. If you know everyone has no if I ask if any fresher, if I ask how you launch the infrastructure in the AWS account, if I given the task to you, create 3 EC2 instance, um, that guy will immediately tell, okay, I'll open the VS Code, I will write the code, and I will Terraform in it, Terraform apply. And if I don't want means Terraform distrib. But in the real company, we are not following this method. We are following something different method, and we are in this ISE securities. We are using different concepts. Okay, we are using the vault in this video. I will explain the vault. Okay, vault securities and how to create the infrastructure through the GitHub actions. Everything I will explain in this video. Okay, and runtime securities and end-to-end projects. Now let us go to the detail about the episode by episode. First episode, that's course introduction, and second episode, I will explain what is DevSecOps. In the DevSecOps, what is DevSecOps and what is DevOps? What is the difference? What you want to learn, and what is the shift left securities concepts and overview of the tools like code, scan, build, deploy, and monitoring. And in between, what kind of securities you have to use, dash, sat, and security containerizations. Everything I will able to explain in this video. And by the end of the video, I will give you the detailed information about the episode 3. And if you didn't join our WhatsApp group, in the description of the WhatsApp group is there, and Discord channel link is there. You can join in if you have any doubts, and our community members will be answered. And in this community only, we are regularly posting the jobs in our community members in their company. Any openings is there, they are posting the jobs in the WhatsApp as well in the Telegram and the Discord channel. In the three, there are regularly posting. That's why if you want to interested to join, you can join. And third video, and this is the one of the most important video, secure CI/CD pipeline. In this video, I am covering SonarQube, Snyk, Gitleaks, Trivy, Checkov, and OWASP scam and flow. This kind of concepts I am covering with detail with one project. I will deploy one project with these all securities. In real company, how they are using these tools. Same thing only I am implementing this through the Jenkins and GitHub Actions. Okay. And fourth is Git securities. This is also one of the most important video because if you are watching uh, DevSecOps videos first time, definitely if you are fresher means that fresher didn't know 100% within 100% they don't know what is pre-commit hooks, what is pre-commit frameworks. They don't know because in their institutes also they're not teach the what is the pre-commit hooks, what is pre-commit frameworks. They didn't teach, but in this playlist, this is the very important. If you don't know what is the pre-commit hooks, if you join the company also, you don't know what you have to implement it because this is the one of the most important. That's why you have to learn pre-commit hooks and pre-commit frameworks with the Gitleaks and Gitleaks security scan and GitHub actions, role-based access control with the GitHub actions and branch protections and the dependency bot. I think no one knows what is the dependency bot because if you watch this video 4, you'll able to understand what is the dependency bot because that is the one of the most important. This is the vulnerabilities dependencies means if you are using 1.2.4 and tomorrow 1.3.4 version came means if you don't know every time you will go and check it the versions, it's very difficult, right? If you watch this dependency bot video, automatically it will raise the new peers and you have to just see it and merge it. That is the only one thing depends. Mostly the dependency bots they are using the internal organizations and open source projects. If you open any open source project, you will able to see it in the dependency bot. If I can show it. Okay, I will open my okay. I'll open the GitHub Argo CD. If you open, see dependency bot. This is the code. I will explain what is the dependency bot and everything. Okay, just close it. And next, container securities. You know, everyone, if in the organizations, if there any freshers is there means they will assign some task like you have to write some Docker file. Everyone is completing the task, but that Docker file is unsecure because they are writing normal Docker files. But what is the exact how to write the Docker files? What how to secure the Docker files and everything? Not root users, why we want to do the root users, non-root user containerizations, image size optimizations, image scanning, everything I will be explaining this video. And this is one of the free course. This is the OpenSSF certification, Open Source Secure Foundation. And previously this is the paid course, but now it's a free course. You can do it this one. And when episode 5 came at that time, I will explain this certification and everything. No problem. And fifth is Kubernetes securities. These concepts I'm covering. And seventh is infrastructure as a code and Terraform, Vault, and everything I'm explaining here, and runtime securities. After deploying the application, how you can check our runtime securities and everything I'm explaining. And finally, end-to-end project. This is the architecture. First, developer write a code. That is the 1 and 2 episodes. You will able to see it, and pre-commit hooks and GitHub scannings, and that you will be seeing in the episode 3 and CI/CD pipelines and episode 3 and episode 5 and episode 7. You will able to learn everything. And production runtime, you will able to learn on episode 8. And everything in one place. I'm deploying the end-to-end DevSecOps pipeline. Scan, secret scan, AST, SCA, build, container scanning, IAS, everything I will able to explain here. End-to-end project. Okay. This is the tools we are using total. These tools we are using and which episode we are using and everything. But mostly the tools will be stored on the episode 3 onwards. But episode 1 and episode 2 is an introduction about the episode 3. The actual DevSecOps tools will be stored here. Okay. And this is my GitHub repository and fork the repository because this is the one of the most important repository. If you have forked this repository, if you start your repository in your organization, if you give it any task directly, you can copy this code and you can implement it. Okay. Okay. And I will end this section and tomorrow I will start episode 1 and every week I will try to upload 2 or 3 videos and total 9 videos we will complete in within the 1 month. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video and please spend some time and complete the all tasks. If you're not completed and episode by episode, you will very difficult to understand the concepts and very difficult to remember that concepts. If you did the practice, you can remember and you can crack the interview. You know what kind of interview questions they will ask and interview questions and everything I will be explained on the episode 5. Okay. And No worries, you just watch the video and practice the video, and end of the day, you will able to understood DevSecOps and you will crack the jobs. Okay, you have to promise one thing, you have to do the practice. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and we will end this section. Bye bye, see you on tomorrow video on episode 2.